Hey, it's Mr. Leatherwood.
And Miss Costello.
And today we're going to learn how to use the distributive property to evaluate expressions.
Super fun.
More algebra.
Woo!
Woo! So we're going to start kind of 5th grade.
Yep, backing up a little bit.
Yeah. And I'm going to show you really what the distributive property is. And you're going to recognize it right away, most of you, because this is how you learned how to multiply. So I don't like red. Can I do orange? I'm going to do orange.
Red's cool.
So if we're doing 6 times 800 plus 20, most of us remember the box method. So we would put 6 over here, and we would do 800 plus 20. And anytime there was a symbol, we'd put a line. Those 8, that's going to bother me.
Connect your zeros.
Yeah. And so this is the distributive property. What we really were teaching you is to multiply the 6 by the 800 and then multiply the 6 by the 20. So 6 times 800 gave us 4,800, and 6 times 20 gave us 120. And we would take those and we would get our answer, which is...
We would just add them together.
Right, to get our answer. So this is going to be the same thing when we're dealing with algebra.
Get ready.
Get ready.
Okay.
So,
do you want to do the box method first? Or?
Yeah, well,
okay.
Yeah, maybe start with the box. So we have 4 times x minus 7. So the only thing that may be a little different for the guys that have learned this way is traditionally we didn't have subtraction. It was always addition. So that's the only change for y'all. Okay, so what do we do?
Okay, first thing we have to do is multiply our 4 and our x. And anytime you have a number multiplying with a variable, you're just going to connect them. So it becomes 4x.
Okay.
Okay.
And then I get the easy part.
Yep, go ahead.
4 times negative 7. So we're taking 4 times our negative 7. And we know that to be negative 28. So we would add those two things together, and we would get 4x minus 28.
And be very careful. We cannot add our x's and our whole numbers. We have to keep them separated.
What do you mean?
Like our 4x. We can't just make it negative 20.
Oh, I gotcha.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Okay, I got you. So really this is this expression. I would say simplified, right?
Yeah.
Would you say? Okay, so this is what we're getting. And then we could evaluate it. We could say, okay, what if we wanted x to be 4? And then on the other video we learned we could put that into our as x and then solve for x.
And then you can combine them.
Then you can combine your terms. Okay, I gotcha.
You could them.
So now let's do it without the box.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to pick a different color. I don't want to do orange anymore.
Let's do... Is that a rainbow color, or is that just...
Oh, no, you just pick whatever.
Okay, sad day.
What color would you like?
Let's do pink. Let's do hot pink.
Hot pink.
Not fuchsia.
Fuchsia. Hold on one second. Maybe this? All right.
That'll be okay.
Okay, we'll see.
Okay, so we're going to take our 4, and we're going to distribute it to our 6x first.
Okay.
So we're going to do 4 times 6x, and it's going to give us...
hold on. That looks bad.
Yeah, I'm going to erase that.
Let's not do that. Let's do this.
Okay.
Okay.
So 6 times 4 gives us...
24.
Yay! And don't forget your x. Okay, and then next thing we have to do is distribute our 4 to our negative 12, or minus 12. And we get...
Negative 48?
Yep.
Is that right?
Yep. So we have 24x and negative 48, and we cannot combine them because one of them has an x. So we're just going to leave it written as an expression.
Okay. So these two things mean the same thing. This is just the simplified version. Okay.
So one is simplified and one is kind of expanded, I guess we can say.
Oh, yeah. That'd be good.
Expanded?
Expanded notation almost.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's try one more. All right, so this one we kind of threw a wrench in. We
It's a
threw
tricky
this
one.
minus 6 over here. And you're going to see that it really doesn't matter.
Can't use blue. We used blue.
Okay. How about
You use
green?
a darker blue.
Purple? Brown?
Green. We
Green.
didn't use green yet.
Okay. So this time, I'm going to do 3 times 5x first.
Gives me 15x.
15x. Then I'm going to come over and do 3 times negative 3.
And it's going to give us negative 9.
Negative 9. Now what do we do with this?
Well, we are not going to distribute our 3 to the minus 6 because the minus 6 is not inside of our parentheses. If a number is not inside of your parentheses, you are just going to go ahead and bring it down. You're going to leave it alone and you're just going to bring it down with you.
Okay. Now, is there any terms that we could combine?
We can combine minus 9 and minus 6 because they are both whole numbers.
Okay, so 15x would just come down.
Yep, it would stay the same.
And then minus 9 and minus 6 would be what, minus 15?
Yep.
So there was our little wrench. So this would equal this up here.
Yep.
And then if we wanted to, we could kind of test you and say, well, what if x equaled 3? And you could evaluate that and figure out what the answer would be.
Yep.
All right. That's it.
Yay.
All right. Later.
Bye.